Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: Wi-Fi enabled, battery charged, and the email you want for your Apple ID. Once ready, unlock the iPhone X and open Settings. Tap Sign into your iPhone. If an Apple ID already appears, choose Use Existing or Create New. Make sure you use a secure password and a reachable email because Apple sends verification codes. If iOS suggests an update before signing in, install it. Update Smooth Sign-In and reduce errors during setup. Now you either enter your existing Apple ID or create one. Tap Create Apple ID, fill name, birth date, and the email you confirmed earlier. Once you submit, Apple sends a verification code to that email or phone. Enter it when prompted. Next, add a phone number for two-factor authentication to secure your account. Then decide whether to enable iCloud, Face ID, and payment methods. These sync purchases and backup data. Make choices deliberately because they affect privacy and backups. Finish by reviewing iCloud options and enabling Find My iPhone. This protects your device and helps recovery. Make sure the App Store, iMessage, and FaceTime show the same Apple ID under their settings so purchases and messages sync. Once everything appears active, sign out and back in to confirm tokens refresh. If verification fails or services won't activate, restart the iPhone X, confirm date/time is set automatically, and reset network settings as a focused troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.